Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen, where we turn ordinary ingredients into extraordinary delights. Today, we have a mouth-watering recipe that'll take your taste buds on a heavenly journey. Get ready to indulge in the layers of flavor with our cheesy chicken toast bake. To start off, grab some fresh toast bread and using a sharp knife, skillfully remove the edges, ensuring a perfect canvas for our delicious creation. Now, in a large pan over medium heat, drizzle some oil and sizzle up finely diced onions, green bell pepper, and red bell pepper until they caramelize, releasing their rich flavors. Next, add bite-sized pieces of chicken breast. Cook until the chicken turns a tempting white, then add salt, black pepper, garlic powder, turmeric powder, dried thyme, and a pinch of chili flakes. Let the aroma fill your kitchen as the spices mingle with the chicken and veggies. 2 minutes later, and we've got a symphony of flavors ready to elevate our dish. Now, let's prepare the bechamel sauce. In another pan over medium-low heat, add the butter, and when it starts to melt, add flour and whisk away until no lumps remain. Pour in the milk, stirring continuously until the sauce thickens. Season with salt and black pepper, giving it that perfect balance. Now, let's assemble this masterpiece. Put the first layer of toast in an oil-greased baking pan, pour half of the bechamel sauce, ensuring an even spread. Follow up with the flavorful chicken and veggie mix, creating a symphony of textures. Sprinkle half of the grated cheddar cheese to enhance the cheesy goodness. Continue the layering with another round of toast bread, covering it with the remaining bechamel sauce. Crown it with the rest of the grated cheddar cheese, and for that final touch, a sprinkle of dried thyme. Our creation is almost ready. Pop the pan into the preheated oven and bake until the cheese turns into a molten bubbly perfection. Then switch on the top oven to give it that golden brown finish. And there you have it. A cheesy chicken toast bake that's a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. Check the description box below for all the ingredients and measurements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heavenly recipes from Heaven's Kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking!